a wonderful rest of your day. Well, yeah, and Frank Wood logged in. He's like, how many days till you resign? I'm like, shut the fuck up. And what kills me is Mr. Cannon flooding the chat room. Like, this isn't for you. You're not a business owner. Let business owners talk. Which is why I turned off the chat 100%, because there was no way to control them, because I couldn't see who was Kevin Shea and who was Cannon signed in as Kevin Shea. So I just had to shut it down for everybody. So everyone who wrote in, I will get answers to them for their questions, and I'll also send all the links and everything to anyone who signed in with a legitimate email address. So, and I'll, yeah. He also said, yeah, and the funny thing too is, like, you know, Cannon early on said, make sure you save this chat and send it to me. I'm like, yeah, okay, fine. So that's a records request. I'll send it to him, no problem. But just a schmuck. And literally as soon as he logged off, I got a call coming in from unknown caller, which I know now is Cannon. So
I just got a call from an unknown caller on my personal cell phone.
That's Cannon. I think that little runt got a burner phone because people stopped answering his real phone. Yeah, no. Leave a message. If it's important, leave a message.
And he never leaves a message.
No, he doesn't. No. So Dolores definitely wants to talk to you about bargaining. So if you can give her a quick call, she'd appreciate that. But your bargaining is coming off your calendar, so I'm going to take that off at 1.
Yeah.
And then, so I'll let you give Dolores a quick call, and then Hannah have your one-on-one. Thank you. Yep, I'll send out all the information. Bye.